If you are interested in computer-aided design software, you probably heard about Autocad, because it is a well-known software that has been around for a very long period of time now. And over the years, it became better and better and covered a wider range of uses to satisfy the needs of designers and engineers in many fields. What is Autocad? Created in December 1982, Autocad is a technical drawing software in 2D and also in 3D. In 1992, Autocad was developed for the Mac operating system, then for Windows in 1994. Its publisher Autodesk has made it a popular software in design and engineering offices around the world because of the huge tools and features it offers. Autocad is updated every year to offer users more features and better experiences with their software. Since 2004, Autodesk has launched a new version of its software every year. This versatile software offers the possibility of designing various elements and objects in 2D and 3D. Users can create their own manufacturing plans, but also create realistic images of the models by applying colors and textures. They can also animate these objects to simulate the operations of a machine or take a virtual tour in a house. In its first version, AutoCAD software was developed for mechanical engineers. However, since 2004, the software has been constantly updated to offer more features and functionality that are specific to more industries that use computer-aided design software. AutoCAD in architecture. AutoCAD Architecture is a version of AutoCAD software incorporating features dedicated to architectural production. This allows architectural professionals to develop plans for residential and commercial buildings, among other things. This version is more advanced than the basic software since it offers specific objects made for the field of architecture. Besides, with AutoCAD Architecture, any modification can be automatically updated to the elements in which it appears, and this helps for saving time and effort. AutoCAD in interior design. While AutoCAD is a recognized software in the field of architecture and construction, it is also good for space planning and interior design. It has many 3D tools and many resources that the software offers to users, such as unique materials, a rich color palette, specific arrangements, and so on. Professionals of interior design can expand their creativity and work on complete, realistic, attractive, and personalized plans to their customers. The 2D function also makes it possible to produce plans conforming to reality while adding annotations to clients or coworkers. AutoCAD in civil engineering. AutoCAD is also very useful for this type of work. With its civil 3D tools, civil engineering professionals can design plans for the construction of roads, bridges, transportation systems, and even sewer systems. They can use 3D models to create surfaces, volumes, and add materials, in addition to section drawing, that help to achieve a precise and realistic result. AutoCAD for mechanical engineering. Mechanical designers who use AutoCAD prepare plans for machines and mechanical devices. With 700,000 standard parts and objects and an advanced mechanical drawing toolbar, AutoCAD users can create highly accurate 2D and 3D drawings and 3D designs that are true to the end product they will create. Everything is thought of in the software to save time and effort for its users, so that industrial design becomes easier and consistent. AutoCAD for electrical engineering. AutoCAD is also an essential tool for electrical design professionals. They can prepare diagrams for use for manufacturing, installations, and repair of electronic gadgets. These drawings facilitate the installation of cables since everything is thought of beforehand, in the smallest details. AutoCAD in manufacturing. AutoCAD is also used in many industries for manufacturing. Industrial designers represent and define the objects to be manufactured. Based on strict specifications, they will calculate and determine the different parts that will constitute the final object and then virtually assemble them on a computer. These drawings will then be used to develop prototypes and marketable series. Every detail, be it the shape, the size, the color, or the material, is thought of and highlighted in the design to obtain the optimal result. Prices of different versions of AutoCAD. If you are going to use AutoCAD for educational purposes, AutoCAD encourages students by providing special versions. But if you are going to use it for professional purposes or the commercial purposes, you're going to pay according to what you need. If you want to try the software, you can get the trial version available for 30 days. AutoCAD comes in many forms including AutoCAD Standard. It is the most complete offer with all the features. You will get access to AutoCAD for Windows and AutoCAD for Mac, plus industry-specific tools for AutoCAD Architecture, AutoCAD Electrical, AutoCAD Map 3D, AutoCAD Mechanical, AutoCAD Plant 3D, AutoCAD Raster Design, and AutoCAD Web and Mobile Apps for $1,690 per year. AutoCAD LT. It is a simplified version of AutoCAD for 2D drawing that does not allow 3D modeling and visualization for $420 per year. AutoCAD Mobile App. AutoCAD Mobile App has core design and drafting tools. You can work on AutoCAD drawings anytime, anywhere, even offline, for $55 per year. AutoCAD Web App. This is an online app to edit, create, and view CAD drawings in a web browser on any computer. It comes for free with AutoCAD and AutoCAD LT. I hope you found this video useful and informative. If you have something to add, you can leave it in the comment section below. Also, you can check some of our previous videos. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one.